Taking a look at this portable bidet. It's a pretty small one. Some of these can be pretty large. Let's get it out of the package here. Cut it off of the tape that they put on there. You can see that it comes in a sealed bag. We'll pull it out of that bag. Now this one is a travel bidet, so it's nice and small. It's flexible. The spout can extend. It has the standard shower style nozzle. It's got a cover on it. It's got a fairly easy to fill chamber there. Rubber threads, so that acts as sort of a gasket right away. And now when you squeeze, it'll create pressure, and the more you squeeze, the more pressure you'll get. And this is a great size for travel, a great size for cleaning a baby or a puppy or something. And these can be great advantages on a road trip or just traveling where, you know, if you're a fan of bidets, you know you're not going to find a bidet very often out there. So these travel bidets are great options. Hope this helps.